Hi, I'm Garrett with Aldan American, and today I've got our new double adjustable Road Comp Series coilover kit for the C5 and C6 Corvette. If you're looking to upgrade to coilovers, looking to lose your OEM springs and shocks and go to a fully ride height adjustable and fully tunable set of coilover shocks, we've got a kit for you. Up front, we've got our 66 position. You've got 6 points of compression adjustment at the base. You've got 11 points of rebound adjustment at the top of the shock. This is our front coilover setup, double adjustable. For the rears, we've got brackets designed specifically for your C5, C6 lower control arm. On the top side, we've developed a set of brackets that'll use the OEM shock mounting location. So it's fully bolt-on. With these kits, they're designed for street, track, road course, autocross. The double adjustable is nice because you have a wide range of adjustability. So you can really tune your shocks for your driving conditions and how you're looking to use your car. Up front too, we've also developed a new set of front brackets. These go on the upper shock mounts and they bolt into the upper shock mounting locations. So front kits looking to lower about 2 inches from stock. On the rear, looking at about 2 inches as well. If you need singles, we have single adjustables, but these are brand new from Aldan American, made here in the USA and in stock at aldanamerican.com. So if you're looking to upgrade your C5, C6 Corvette, we've got coilovers for you.